Today, let's learn 100 most common food and drink words in British English. Part B. Dairy products. Milk. I drink milk every day. Cheese. Cheddar cheese is my favorite. Yogurt. She had yogurt with fruit. Greek yogurt. She eats Greek yogurt with honey for breakfast. Butter. I spread butter on my toast. Cream. He added cream to his coffee. Eggs. We had scrambled eggs this morning. Custard. Custard goes well with cake. Ice cream. The kids love chocolate ice cream. Sour cream. Sour cream is used in dips. Milkshake. She drank a strawberry milkshake. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is light and tasty. Whipped cream. He topped the pie with whipped cream. Blue cheese. Blue cheese has a strong smell. Goat's cheese. Goat's cheese is soft and creamy. Desserts. Cake. She baked a chocolate cake. Pie. Apple pie is a classic dessert. Pudding. He loves sticky toffee pudding. Brownie. The brownie was rich and chocolatey. Tart. We shared a lemon tart. Trifle. Trifle is made with layers of sponge and custard. Biscuit. Would you like a biscuit with your tea? Donut. She had a jam donut. Cupcake. I made cupcakes for the party. Muffin. Blueberry muffins are delicious. Snacks. Crisps. He opened a bag of salt and vinegar crisps. Popcorn. We ate popcorn at the cinema. Chocolate. She had a piece of chocolate. Sweets. The children were given some sweets. Nuts. Nuts are a healthy snack. Granola bar. I grabbed a granola bar on the way. Rice cake. She had a rice cake with peanut butter. Chewing gum. He offered me a piece of chewing gum. Pretzels. Pretzels are crunchy and salty. Trail mix. Trail mix is handy for hiking. Drink. Water. Drink plenty of water. Tea. I like a cup of tea in the afternoon. Coffee. She drinks coffee every morning. Juice. Orange juice is full of vitamin C. Smoothie. She had a berry smoothie. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is perfect on cold days. Soda. He drank a fizzy soda. Lemonade. I made fresh lemonade. Coconut water. Coconut water is refreshing. Iced tea. Iced tea is nice in summer. Bubble tea. We tried bubble tea for the first time last weekend. Herbal tea. She sips herbal tea at night. Energy drink. He had an energy drink before the run. Sparkling water. Sparkling water is fizzy. Cola. He ordered a glass of cola with his meal. Fantastic job. You've learned 100 common food and drink words grouped by theme in Part A and B videos. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.